welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're gonna draw some Easter rainbow cupcakes, and that's making a shiny rainbow.
Oh my gosh! It's an Easter cupcake making a shiny rainbow. I wonder how we're gonna do that. So we're gonna have to figure it out. So stay tuned and let's get started. You'll need your paper
and some markers and color markers.
You got it. So get ready, get all your supplies, and let's go. All right, friends, now that we have our paper ready, we're gonna turn our paper over like this. Alrighty. And the first thing we wanna do is we're gonna draw basically an imaginary line like right around here. And we're gonna basically put kind of like a U shape like this right here. And then another U shape right here. Okay? Got that? And then we're going to start making puffs, just like this. Puff, 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 puff. There you go. You see that? And you want to go up. That's your cupcake. Now remember, this is an Easter cupcake. So this weekend is Easter. So anything that we do right now will be an Easter design or an Easter drawing. And it's going to be fun. Now, once we have our cupcakes, we want to draw some rabbit bunny ears, just like that. It almost looks like a leaf. Ta-da! All right, now have fun with this. Okay, you can change it up if you need to. Doesn't have to be the same. All right, now we're gonna draw the little eyes. One little eye here, another little eye here. See that? And then we're gonna draw another little eye here.
My eyes super cute on. I'm gonna draw my eyes super cute.
Oh, you can draw them however you want, baby. It's okay.
Like this, and I'm gonna draw them.
And then let's draw a smile. There you go. Kami's got it. Okay. I'm gonna put my little tongue right there. And then we're gonna draw another smile. Just like that.
I'm gonna draw one like a girl and one like a boy.
Okay, so this is my girl right here. And then the other one is a boy. So on the girl, I'm going to do 3 little hearts. 1, 2, and then 3. Whoa! And on the boy, I'm going to do 1 heart right in the middle. Just like that. Okay?
I'm going to draw like 3 hearts because I love them both.
Okay, you love them both. Excellent. Now you can do 3 hearts. You can do 2 hearts. However many you want. Now the next thing is making the rainbow. So first, we're going to take a line from here. We're going to go up like that. Boom. And we need 7 colors, right? Yeah. So that's this right here. That is basically 1 color. Ta-da! I'm going to do another one here. And that's 2 colors. I'm going to do another one here. That's 3.
I got 4.
And that's 4. 5. 6. And 7. Boom. I think we're good. What do you think?
Awesome.
All right, let's start with the color pink, something light. So we can do the cupcakes little cheekies. There you go. So start with that first. Then you go here, okay? And then I'm going to use the same color for my tongue, just like that. All right. Now I'm going to do the bottom of the cupcakes. Actually, you know what? Let's do the other pink. All right. And then let's do the other pink color right here. And then we're going to do the inside of the ears, just like that. Okay? That way we have the full ears ready to go.
Mine does not even have the lower one.
Oh, no, it's okay. Don't worry about it. Just like that. Whoa! Now we have the cupcakes with bunny ears. All right. Now make sure if we're going too fast.
You can also pause the video or start over.
Correct. So have fun, okay?
Or slow it down.
Or slow it down. Now, I'm going to do my girl cupcake cup and a purple. Okay? Just like this.
I'm going to do it in 3 colors.
In 3 colors? Perfect.
Like a rainbow.
All right. So
kind of like blue, indigo, and violet.
Okay, do it, baby.
Just like the same.
And you can do it however you want. You don't have to do the color the same as we have. We're just having fun, remember.
And you can also change it in different designs you want.
Yep. And then now we have purple here. And then this one I'm going to do like in a light baby blue. kind of like pastel colors. So you want to do some pastel colors.
I'm gonna do it.
It's nice and soft.
And 4 colors, like red, orange, yellow, and green.
There you go. You got it.
I would look more fun.
Yay! You see that? All right. There you go. Look at that. That's awesome.
I will change it like this. See? Look
All
at
right.
it. It looks awesome.
So we're gonna leave these hearts just like that. You can color them if you want. Now, Camila's an expert at doing rainbows. Oh, look at that. That's awesome. So Camila is gonna have to show us how to paint the rainbow. So which colors first, Stephanie? Reds first? All right. And Camila's really fast at doing rainbows. So I gotta like keep up with her. She'll beat me. Oh my gosh, look, she's already beating me. Oh no.
There.
Oh gosh, she already did the red.
Now on the orange.
Oh, you're in the orange? Holy moly. Hold on, I'm coming. Hold on, I'm doing the orange now. Uh-oh, I need the orange. And here we go. We're almost there. We're almost there. We're almost there. Where? You got it?
Yep.
All right. And now, what other color's next? Yellow. We need the BK7. Okay, BK7 yellow.
I'm done with the yellow.
Oh my gosh, that's because you're right.
I did it just in time.
Oh look, yeah, do it. Oh no, look at that. All right, now what's next? Green. Oh, you're already done?
Yeah.
What? Hold on, I'm going with the green now.
I'm done with the blue.
You're done with the blue. Oh, wait. Oh, now it's blue. What's next?
Indigo.
Indigo. Okay.
I'm doing indigo.
You're going to do the indigo?
I'm done with the indigo.
Oh, jeez. Okay, hold on. We're coming here.
Now I'm on the purple.
You're on the purple.
Yeah.
Oh, so purple's next?
Yeah.
Alrighty, let's do purple.
I'm already done with my rainbow.
Purple, alright. Oh my gosh, you're already done? Alright, now what's next? I think we need to do some sparkles. What do you think?
That will look awesome.
Yep. So we're going to do sparkles. I'm going to use this purple to do my sparkles. So the way you do the sparkles is do little lines like that. See? There you go. And then do a little swirl. And then you can put little dots. You see? That way it looks like there's little sparkles. Whoa, look at that. That's pretty awesome, huh? And then you do another little sparkle here.
Look at mine.
There you go. And then do little dots. Whoa, what do you think?
Now I'm going to do some little stars like this.
Excellent. Now, if you want to add a little shadowing on your cupcake to make it look a little more fun, take a gray color and then do the outline of their cupcake, just like that. And what you end up doing is you give it more of a cartoon look. You see that?
I'm gonna.
Just like that. All right. And that way, it gives it a really nice, fun cartoon. You could do it on the edges of the ear. You could just do one side if you want. You don't have to do both sides. Whoa, check it out. What do you think?
Wow, it looks awesomely cool.
All right. Here they are. Our Easter cupcake rainbow rabbit clouds. So this is what it looks like. Now remember, have fun, take your time.
And subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell.
And that way you don't miss the next video. So we're going to do a couple more Easter designs because it is Easter weekend and we're having a lot of fun with Easter. And rabbits and bunnies. And what else?
And some Easter eggs.
Some Easter eggs. All right. So have fun, everybody. And make sure to keep drawing and be creative. All right. Y'all be good.
Bye.